Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one pop the balloons project in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project, we will see that how to build one newsfeed project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like enjoying my previous project of JavaScript. So let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this newsfeed project in JavaScript. So in this newsfeed project, it will be just telling you about your BBC News in the world. Okay, so here, like you all know what is BBC News. Okay, so it is a channel in the TV. You can be just seeing that. So over here, it is all the news of our BBC News. Okay, here you can see that all the news are over here, and if you press any of that, so it will be just take you the news which are original one. Okay, so if I just press that, so just you can see that now here you can see Amazon faces legal challenge over Prime cancellation policy. Over here you can see that. Okay, so it has been just taken to our BBC News over here, official website of BBC News, and over here it is our all the news which we want. Okay, so here you can see that. Now if I just back, and if I press this over here, okay, so over here you can see now again we are just on our BBC News website. Okay, official website, and over here now another news has been over here. Okay, which we have just pressed. So here you can see that. Okay, so like that you can do. So if I just do like that, so like that you can make your own news BBC News project. Okay, means news feed project. So for doing that, you have to just open your text editor, which is called brackets, and over here I've just created these three files, which is called school.html, school.css, and school.js. Okay, and in these three files I will do my all the work. So first of all I have to write my HTML codes, and then I will just write my link tag, all that. Okay, so now underneath that I will come, and now over here I will write h1, and then I will write like rss news feed. Okay, so I will write news feed project. Okay, so just spelling should be correct. So I will write news feed project. So when you've done that, just you have to do like that. Now come over here, and here you have to write like news is. Okay, so I will write news. It is a tag. Okay, so it will be just telling you the news which are coming today in our BBC News, because BBC is over the worldwide channel. So because of that, it will be just telling you the news of BBC, what are happened in the world. Okay, so I will just show you how to do. So here we have just put this news tag. Now I will just put it many times, so we will get many of the newses which we want. Okay, so you can write any of them. Okay, means you can write 10 to 12 or 15 to 20 times. You can also write this news tag, but I will just write this because I don't need some of the newses. Okay, so I will just copy that and I will paste again, so there will be not any problem. Now it's safe. Now it has been done. Just your HTML work has been done. Now here you have to do all the work with our CSS file. So now for doing that, you have to just go to your CSS file, come over here and write like that, write margin, which should be 0 pixel. Right over here padding should also be 0 pixel. Then come and write over here again, which is called box sizing. So I will write box sizing should be border box. Okay, so I will do like that. Come and write justify content in center, and now when you've done that, just you have to write align items in center. Okay, so write align items in center. Then when you've done that all, just you have to come and write font size, which should be 12 pixel now. And now right over here font weight should be 400. Then come and write font family. Okay, so which should be of like open sans. So I will write open sans, and here I will just take this O to capital because it is a first letter, and first letter should also be capital when you're defining any of the font. Okay, so here we will do like that. Now when you've done that, come over here and just you have to write display flags. So I will write display flags, then write flags wrap should be wrap. And now when you've done that all, just spanning is incorrect, so I will just take it to L. So we have done till over here. Just when you've done that, come over here, and here I will just press backspace and write background color. So I will write background color, which should be white. So I will just write like that. Border should be none over here. Okay, so I will write border none and outline none. So I will write outline should also be none. So when you've done that, come over here and write body now. So in that I will write align items in center first of all. Okay, so spelling is incorrect, so I will just take it to like N over here. Okay, after G you have to write N. Then write justify content, which should be center. Then when you've done that, just you have to come and write over here like border, which should be 1 pixel solid, and it should be white. So we have done till over here, right? Border 1 pixel solid, which should be okay. So just come and write border color now, which should be white. So I will just take it to white. Come over here and write outline none, because over here I don't need any of the outline. And I will just write border none also, because if the border comes, so I want the color of white. So when you've done that, come over here, write the background color over here also, which should be white. So I will just take it to white. Come over here and write display flags. So I will write display flags. Write font size, which should be 15 pixel. Right over here font weight should be of like 400. Now write font family, and right over here, come over here and write Montserrat. So I will write Montserrat, comma sans serif. So when you've done that all, just you have to do another thing. Just come over here, and here you have to do like just write over here the tag which is called dot. Okay, so I will write news only because it is a tag. So I will come and I will write font size. First of all over here, which should be 12 pixel. Come over here and write font weight, should be 700. Then come and write font family, which should be Montserrat. So I will write Montserrat, comma sans serif. So we have done till over here. Just when you've done that, just you have to copy these all things which we have just written over here, okay? Because it will be just now not any of the waste of time. So I will just paste that over here. Write justify content, which should be in center, okay? And right over here like align items, which should also be in center. Now when you've done that, just you have to do like that. So just press R, and now you have to do. So just when you've done that, hit save, and now your CSS work has been also done. So now we have to do our all the work with our JavaScript file. Okay, so I will just open my JavaScript file, and first of all I will add function, then I will add brackets, and over here I will come. Now I will define let function equal document dot query selector, and now right over here only function, because it is a tag of HTML. Okay, it is not a tag of HTML, it is a tag of JavaScript. So I will define like that. Now write body equal document dot query selector, then right over here body only like that, because it is a tag of HTML. So write let, and right over here news, okay, equal document dot query selector, and now when you've done that, right over here news. Okay, so we have done till over here. Just you have to close that. Come over here and define news dot add event listener, then right over here button, comma array function, and now we will not write array in strings. Okay, so I will just write like that, and here you have to write brackets in your first one bracket. So I will write function tag, and now just when you've done that, come over here and just you have to press Ctrl Z, then come and write add event listener again. And now when you've done that, right over here button, comma on click now, and right over here function dot floor tag, and write random over here. So we have done till over here. Just come and write floor dot random, and right over here math dot length, and right over here array, comma e tag dot function, and right over here random. So now when you've done that, just write floor. So when you've done that, just come and write over here like random math. Okay, so just it should be capital, so I will write floor. Then come over here and write this m to capital, okay, because I want this m capital, because it is a tag. So I will write length over here and write array, and just you have to write not array, I will write button now, and I will define on click function in my another bracket, then write comma function, write floor. So just you have to erase that bracket, and now I will write floor over here. So floor. So when you've done that, just come over here, and here you have to define anything which is called length. So I will define length, and over here write button and dot floor dot random. So we have done till over here. Just when you've done that, you have to do like that. And now when you've done that, all you have to hit save over here, and now your work has been done. So if I just show you in Google Chrome over here, so just go to Google Chrome. So over here you can see our feed, news feed project has been ready. Okay, so if I press any of the news over here of BBC News, so it will be just taken to our official website of BBC News, and over here you can see it has been shown our news which we have to see over here. Okay, here you can see that all newses are coming over here. Okay, so I will just press backspace, and if I just press another news, so over here you can see another news has been come, and you can just check that out over here also. Okay, and it has just taken to us to its official website. So I will just press this third one, and here you can see another website has been come. Okay, so I hope you understand that how to build one newsfeed project in JavaScript, and I hope you also understand this project like my previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice these all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like your of Python and HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.